Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. For those of you new to the show, I really appreciate you tuning in for this one because, we're going to be talking about home improvements that pay you back, right? Home improvements that give you the best ROI or return on investment. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. So the first one is remodeling the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's the most looked at room by home buyers, and you can expect about a 60% to 120% return on investment when you remodel a kitchen. The next one is adding square footage. Now, adding square footage also increases the value of your home, but you can expect a return on investment of about 50% to 83% when you add square footage to your home. For example, you add a bedroom, you add a bathroom, things like that. The third one is a bathroom addition, right? I kind of mentioned this, but this has its own category. And adding a bathroom to a home will give you a return on investment of about 80% to 130%. So a little bit of a higher range there compared to adding a bedroom. And the last one is a deck addition. So when you're adding a deck to your home, whether it's a front porch or if it's a rear deck, right, the rear of the home, you can expect a return on investment of about 65% to 90%. So these are home improvements that pay you back. This is pretty much a short episode today, but these are the top four. Of course, there are other things too. For example, if you renovate a current bathroom, a current bedroom, a current kitchen, if you add square footage, I mentioned that in this one, but there's other things that you can do too. Curb appeal is a huge one that gives you a return on investment. I don't have the percentages for that, but I can tell you that if a home buyer is looking at your home and you have nice curb appeal, that makes all the difference. It gets them excited, the home buyers, to go into your home and view it. So I hope you found this episode valuable. Share your thoughts in the comments and go ahead and subscribe wherever you're watching this or follow. I really appreciate you guys watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.